Hey guys, the first thing that you need to do in this project is decide what you want to know more about. In your project sheet, I have between 3 and 6 options floating around here for you. One of them is the Civil War, one is the Civil Rights Movement, another is women's rights movements, but we're looking for something that interests you, that showcases a group of people who fought for freedom when there was something about their lives that was not free. Now, a word to the wise, if you choose the African American struggle for freedom during the Civil War, we'll actually do a lot of reading about that in class. You'll also need to find your own research, but it will be reinforced by what we're doing. Speaking of research, on the very bottom of this document, Mrs. Corsino and I have developed an appropriate website list. This is where your research needs to come from. So no Wikipedia, no just empty Google searches. We actually have curated a list of resources that are going to give you really reliable information and hopefully some good images. That's right, images. Because one of the things you're doing with this project is creating a visual. As your group does research, they're taking notes, you will be writing a research paper, but the really fun part about this is that you're going to show us what you learn with pictures. And there's some great websites that you might want to use for that. One is Animoto. I can give you a login if you need one. Google Slides, you all know about. Prezi, many of you have tried before. If there's another tool that you'd like to try out, go for it. Just let us know. We want to see pictures and we want to learn and we want to be entertained while we're learning. This is all building up towards a collaborative discussion. That's going to happen probably the week before Christmas break. And it's going to be really good at this point in the school year. You will not only have written a paper with your group about what you're learning, but you'll also have learned about other people's research because you'll see their visual presentations. And then we're going to get together and we're going to have a great big discussion about how people respond to the struggle towards freedom. What works? What doesn't? What have people done throughout history? It's going to be great, and you guys are going to be impressed with how intelligent you sound. So if you have any questions, make sure to ask me. I'll see you guys on Thursday.